Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best portable solar panels for RV in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best portable solar panels for RV that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Rockpals 100W RV Foldable Solar Panel. Its high efficiency rate ensures it's among the most effective solar panels available. This panel shouldn't have any issues being an excellent source of power for your rig and its devices. But its efficiency isn't even its most impressive trait. The product's built-in Smart IC chip would be my pick for this title. This aspect will identify your device and maximize its charging speed to ensure peak effectiveness. It'll also make sure your batteries and electronics are protected from several issues, such as overloading or overcharging. You can rely on its monocrystalline construction to be lightweight and durable, as well. These aspects make it a perfect fit for people looking to do off-grid camping or hiking. This panel will make sure you have a backup source of power for your device when they're needed in either situation. It comes with 4 different size connectors to ensure it can work with most solar generators available. Therefore, it provides an ideal versatility level to make sure more buyers can end up using this panel for their needs. This product happens to be another within my budget range, too, which is always a pleasant sight. Bargain buyers should make a note to consider this option seriously. It's not every day that you'll find a device capable of offering results like these available at such a low price. Moving on at number 4. We have the Xampp Legacy Series 140-watt portable solar panel kit. Rig owners who want a high-quality flexible solar panel need to look at Xampp's Legacy Series 140-watt portable solar panel kit. It's considered one of the best available for being adaptable based on its surrounding environments. Aside from its flexibility, buyers need to notice its easy setup process. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes, which is a fact most of its review confirmed. You couldn't read more than 2 of them without seeing a sentence talking about how easy the setup was compared to other models. I was thrilled to see it came with an integrated 10-amp charge controller, as well. This aspect's inclusion will help protect your battery bank and keep track of the entire charging process. In fact, this charge controller has the capability of extending your battery's lifespan by 3 times. The product was made in the USA, which is another positive sign. It's a notable factor because US manufacturing rules are much more strict than some foreign countries. You can rest easy knowing it passed a rigorous amount of safety protocols before entering the market. You should be thrilled by its 25-year output warranty, too. It conveys this brand has faith in its product. It seems most Xampp portable solar panels have long warranties, which is another great sign that they're great at making these devices. At number 3, we have the eco-worthy upgrade 120-watt RV foldable solar panel kit. Are you looking to buy convenient portable panel kits for RV battery charging purposes? The eco-worthy upgrade 120-watt RV foldable solar panel kit has got you covered. Its solar panel's space-saving design makes it one of the most user-friendly options out there. In fact, this solar panel weighs a meager 9 pounds, features a compact size, and comes with all necessary hardware. These aspects make this kit a godsend for outdoor activities, such as climbing, hiking, picnicking, or camping. Most buyers were happy with this product's plug-and-play construction, as well. The kit comes with a 10-in-1 DC adapter, which is compatible with most solar power generators. It makes setting up the device much easier than other models. Durability was another area where this model excels past most other portable solar panels for home or RVs. Its carrying case features a splash-proof surface consisting of high-quality Oxford cloth, which contains impressive, long-lasting abilities. As with several of our other options, the solar panels themselves are laminated and made with tough ETFE material. This construction should stand the test of time and ensure your new solar power system lasts a solid 15 years. At number 2, we have the TP Solar 100W RV Foldable Solar Panel Charger Kit. One of the best portable RV solar panel kits has to be TP Solar's 100W RV Foldable Solar Panel Charger Kit. After all, its 100-watt monocrystalline solar panel provides an excellent conversion efficiency rate to ensure enough power for charging your devices. Its monocrystalline construction makes sure it can offer these fantastic results while being smaller than traditional solar panels. In fact, this solar panel only weighs about 5 pounds, which shouldn't be much of a hassle to carry. Some buyers might confuse this smaller size for the product having less durability than other options. This belief couldn't be more wrong, considering the solar panels fully laminated and made from top-tier ETFE material. These two aspects ensure this solar panel will be a reliable power source for years to come. It even comes with a guarantee of lasting 15 years, which is always a nice thing to see. Plus, it's worth mentioning the panel's completely waterproof to ensure it can handle any weather condition. These waterproof abilities lead to a simple cleaning process. Its water resistance allows the device to be washed directly, making it even more ideal for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, or a picnic. This option also comes with an alligator clip cable, cigarette lighter plug, 6.5 feet DC to DC extension cables, and several other useful additions. But none of these features are what sticks out the most about this product. Instead, you can give this title to its price, which is among the least expensive on our list. And finally at number 1, we have the Jackery SolarSaga 100W Portable Solar Panel. Rig owners looking for an option with a high conversion efficiency need to consider Jackery's SolarSaga 100W Portable Solar Panel. This model offers a conversion efficiency rate of up to 23%, which is almost unheard of among the other products. But its high conversion efficiency isn't the only thing worth getting excited about when it comes to this device. I was also intrigued by this solar charger coming with 2 USB ports, which ensures you can charge a large number of smaller devices, smartphones, speakers, digital cameras, and tablets. The ETFE material used on this solar panel's surface was another standout feature. It offers a level of durability, which other folding solar panels for RV can't usually match. I have no reason to believe this model won't provide usable solar energy for many years. You can thank this material for the product's lightness, too, which is an essential factor in any top-tier option. It's one of the main reasons this option ends up being one of the best portable solar panels for camping. Buyers would be a fan of this product's convenient bracket, as well. This aspect ensures storing the device is more manageable than with other portable solar panels. You shouldn't have any issues bringing it along during a hike due to this practical addition. The built-in handle should also help during these adventures out into the wilderness. It's just another included feature that shows this product is convenient and user-friendly. If you don't believe me, look at the customer reviews, which only praise its working process. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.